Hey, Mark. Good. Hey, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal back on the production floor. It is a nice and it's going to be sunny today, right? Sarah said it's going to be sunny. I believe it. We are going to go take a look at a couple of coaches today. 1369, the X3 in the background, and 1370. Both coaches are in production and nearing production completion. So let's go take a look. Follow me this way. If you've got any thoughts or questions, where should we go in first? Let's go into 69 first over here, John. Go up the scaffolding way. Hope everyone had a good weekend. So 1369 is an X3 double slide. John, I'll let you go in front of me. 1369 is a X3 double slide bunk coach that is nearing completion. Bunk coaches are getting more and more popular out there. And one of the main reasons they do is because when you're not using it for a bunk, as you can see when John pivots back around, you've got a pretty big closet and storage area. As you see with this bunk all the way down, there's so much room in here. I love that. But take a look at this shower. Isn't that great? It's pretty. It'll be nice to see this one done. Got about another 3 to 4 weeks on this one. Also about 4 to 5 weeks on the next one we're going to see. But I wanted to say something before we move forward here. I received a voicemail from a young man. His name's David Black. He's out of Maryland, right outside of DC. He's 21 years old. He called me, and I don't normally talk about voicemails or emails that I get, but this one really touched me. 21-year-old man calling about his father, his dad. Monday, April 20, I think it's the 24th, whatever. I think it's the third Monday in April. His dad turned 70, and he's a big watcher of Marathon Mondays. And it really touched me that this young man took the time out to call me and call Marathon about his dad, who is a big supporter of Marathon Mondays and Marathon Coach and the coaches that we build here. I think his name is Jesse Black, and he's a Navy veteran. He's turning 70 about a month from now, and his son just said, "My dad is my hero, and I just love him." And the way he said it was, "My dad's a Navy veteran. He's like my best friend, and I love him so much." And it would really mean a lot for a shout out. And I didn't want to miss that. And that's a month from now for his birthday. So I wanted to mention it today because it really touched me as a father who has a son. It touched me that this young man, David, took the time out to call about his dad. So happy birthday a month from now, Mr. Black. Thank you for watching Marathon Mondays. And you raised your son right. It really touched me that David took the time to call. Let's move on into taking a look at 1370. And from this shot right here, you can see so much going on around the production floor. 1374, another X3 is next to us. Toyota Racing is all the way down there. A couple of customs, including 1375 at the very end, which is getting dialed in for the new owners. That's cool. The Toyota Racing coach has a mid-entry. That'll be neat to show you guys eventually. And then a couple more custom X3s. Actually, an HN and X over there. We're going to go inside 1370 here. First thing, before we go in, John, I wanted to show these risers. Take a look at this stairway leading up. Now, the owners of this coach, they have Coach 1314 right now, which is also a very beautiful coach. It's one of my favorites that I've sold over the last couple of years. It's got a great slate floor in it. I like the slate floor, but also it's got the appliance dream center. Let's go take a look. John, watch your step as you navigate through there. But as you can see, this one's coming together quite well. Cabinetry is being installed right now. Beautiful colors are going to be throughout this coach. Nice earth tones. That's cool to see right there. What it takes to make sure the cabinetry is done right. That's one of the things about a marathon, is that we take the time to install it properly. There we go. Appliance Dream Center in the new coach. Their previous coach or their current coach has the Appliance Dream Center, and I'm glad they went with it again in this one. And remember, this one's a triple slide for those of you who don't remember. See Doug in there working in there. But when you have a triple slide with two in the rear, you can achieve the super bath, and that's what this one has. So 2 slide outs in the rear, 1 in the front, and you've got double vanities, storage above and below. Of course, the large walk-in shower, the commode with the hidden washer dryer behind it, and of course, you're gonna have that extra 4-foot hanger bar with closet in the very rear of the super bath back here. But another thing you've got is you've got so much space in here for storage, and creative storage is what it's all about. I love how they did all of the wall coverings. You can see that right here. This wall covering is throughout. It's a nice choice. Very cool. The floor is halfway done. On Friday, I was watching them do the heated floor. You could see the mortar has been put down. So underneath that right there is the mortar, and underneath the mortar, of course, is the heated pad. So you've got heated floors throughout in Coach 1370. Very cool. Fisher-Paykel refrigerator on the driver's side, Appliance Dream Center on the curb side, good sized galley. And as you can see, John is now standing in the slide out. And John, if you want to move forward here, you could see right down here that the slide out is getting worked on. See it down there. And so the thing is that this coach, 1370, is the next coach where we're going to bring that slide out back into the coach. So they're doing a few more things. Let's go downstairs and take a look, John. Take your time there, John, coming down. As you can see, this one is at the point where it's almost ready to be put back into the coach. A lot happens towards the end of production. 1314, which usually resides down in the desert, the people, the couple who are customizing this coach, their current coach is a really dynamic paint job, and this one is equally there. Take a look right here, John, at the texturing that was done. It's a red and black texturing, and I really like how we did that. And then if we pivot right back around here, you'll be able to see 1369's paint job. That's pretty cool. All right, and that's about it. 1369 and 1370. Let's make our way. Hey, let's make our way this way, John, since we can. 69 also getting its slide out worked on before it gets reinstalled. Cut and buff happening on the production floor. One of the things that Marathon started doing over the last couple of years. Let's go this way, John. This is a coach right here that I would love to show you guys, but the owners haven't been able to see it yet. It's pretty much completed inside. This is 1363, and the owners haven't seen it yet. So I'll be excited for when this coach actually gets completed and the owners get to see it. Because outside this paint job, Sarah, have you seen this outside? Oh man, I love it. Very cool. And then the last thing I want to show you, let's go down here. It's a good shot right here of 1367 in audit. Oh, are they? Of this one? Oh, well, congratulations to them. Sarah just told me that the owners of 1363 are watching. That's great. I'm so excited, and I don't want to show it on video until you get to see it. So that's why we're not going to walk back into it. Actually, I walked into it this morning to take another look at it. And there is 1367, another custom nearing completion. A busy production Monday morning at Marathon. That's about it. So for all of you out there, don't forget to be yourself and do good things. Send me an email if you're looking to get into a Marathon. If you own a Marathon and you're looking to trade it in or sell it, malw at marathoncoach.com. That's my email. That's how you can get a hold of me. Headed back down to the desert, you guys, in about a week. We got a big party going on at Outdoor Resorts Indio. That's why I wore this today, to remind me to say, hey, Outdoor Resorts Indio coming back your way. We have a end of year party coming up this weekend. Everybody, we will have we'll probably do a Mal on the Move from down there, and we'll probably do a show on Monday from down there. So we will see you live from the desert next Monday and a Mal on the Move this weekend. Take care, and we'll see you next week, you guys.